Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable auto-generated captions on Zoom. This feature is incredibly useful for making your meetings more accessible and ensuring that everyone can follow along, whether they're in a noisy environment or have hearing difficulties. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password to access your account. This step is essential because you need to be signed in to access all the meeting features, including the caption options we'll be working with. Once you're logged in, go ahead and join a meeting. This will take you into the main meeting interface where all the controls and options are available to you. It's important to be in an active meeting to enable captions, as this feature only works during live sessions. Now that you're in the meeting, take a look at the bottom toolbar on your screen. This is where all your main controls are located. Things like mute, video, and other essential features. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled More. Click on it to reveal additional settings and features that aren't immediately visible in the main toolbar. From the drop-down menu that appears after clicking More, select Show Captions. This action will activate the auto-generated captions feature for your meeting. Once enabled, you'll start seeing real-time text appear on your screen, transcribing what's being said in the meeting. These captions are generated automatically by Zoom's speech recognition technology, making it easier for participants to follow along with the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully enabled auto-generated captions on Zoom, making your meetings more inclusive and accessible for everyone involved. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.